I am Fatiha. For today's toys video, I will share with you about this toys called basket shaped sorter. So this type of basket shaped sorter have two different colors, green and yellow, in 8 different shapes. This one have different types of food that we can bring to picnic because this is a picnic themes basket. So later in this video, I will share with you on how to play with them as well as their benefits. So stay tuned. Please be reminded that the suitable age to play with these toys is 2 years and above. So how to play with them? Please be reminded, firstly, we take out the shapes that we have here and lay out here on the table or in the open space so that we can see the shapes more prominently. Then we close the basket. Then we can take the shape one by one and see what kind of shape is this. This is a triangle shape. Then we look through the hole here that is in triangle shapes to fit the shape here. So where is the triangle shape slot? So as you can see here, this is the slot for this kind of shape, triangle shape. So we can put it over here and continue with the next and the rest of the shapes. We can do social story or basic concept to our children. What kind of food that we can bring to picnic. So at the same time, we can learn different shapes that we can sort over here. This one is star. Where is star? Over here. And what kind of food that we can bring? Mango. Next, I will continue with the benefits of playing these toys. Next, with this activity, children will develop visual perception, which is necessary for activity like reading, writing, or even movement, as well as daily living activity. For example, when we put on our shirt, we need to see which hole that we need to put in our head or even our arms and our whole body. As well as when we button up our shirt, we need to see that the button is already fit in through the hole or not. Then next one, it also develop fine motor skill. For example, when we pick up the shape, we need to use our finger, tripod finger. Then we need to manipulate our finger to fit in through the hole here. And lastly, it also help with hand-eye coordination. Why hand-eye coordination is important? It is basically a movement that we need to use our eye. Our eye will translate the information that we see through our movement. For example, when we see the open slot here, we can take the shape and we can distinguish our hand to put in through the hole here. This activity is important for when we eating. We need to take our food and put in through our mouth here. So these are all the benefits that we can get from playing these toys. So that's all from me, and thank you for watching.